Hi, my name is Angeli, and today we are going to be going over Chapter 3, Question 2, VLOOKUP functions. And VLOOKUPs are the vertical lookup function, which Excel allows you to look up values from different worksheet ranges. And today we are going to be going over the VLOOKUP syntax in a small data set so that we can use it in a larger data set in the future. So first, we're going to open up the Pine Valley spreadsheet. And the Pine Valley spreadsheet has three different pages. It has age, salary, and experience. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sort the information to make sure that each of it matches up and aligns with one another. And then we're going to copy and paste it all into the fourth page. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the names and I'm going to sort them in alphabetical order. And that also coincides with their ages, and it will sort them in accordance to their name. I'm going to do the same thing for salary, and I'm going to sort in alphabetical order. It also sorts their salary. Lastly, experience. I'm going to select the name, hit sort and filter, and then put it in alphabetical order. It also sorts their experience. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste their names, and I'm going to put it into the fourth spreadsheet. I'm going to paste all their names. They're in alphabetical order. And then I'm going to copy all their ages, salary, and experience all into the same fourth spreadsheet. So for time's sake, I've already done this. And further than that, I created a table to make it more organized. So next, I have two questions here. So we have how old is Amanda and how much experience does Zach have? So here we can clearly see that Amanda is 36 years old and Zach has 35.7 years of experience. But this is a small data set. Like I said previously, we're going to be pretending that this is a larger data set, and we can see how helpful VLOOKUP function is. So the VLOOKUP function starts off with a equal sign. And I'm going to type in VLOOKUP, parentheses, the lookup value. So I'm going to put quotation marks around the name Amanda. And then I'm going to put a comma. And table array, this is the range that we're looking for. So I'm going to select the entire table, comma. Column index number, this is the column that Microsoft Excel is going to look for. So we are going to select column 2, which is the age column, and I'm going to put number 2, and then I'm going to put comma, and then now this is the optional part, which means that we can select either true or false, or we can just completely ignore this option. But true gives us an approximate match, and then false is the exact match. So I want to know how old Amanda is exactly. So in the data set, so I'm going to type in false, and then I'm going to put the parentheses over that to end the formula, and then I'm going to press enter. Here we can see Amanda is 36 years old. And now for how much experience does Zach have? If I wanted to find how certain data sets are within other pages, I can do that also by doing the insert formula tab here. I'm going to put VLOOKUP, and then the lookup value I'm looking for, give me 1 second. I'm going to move it to this cell instead. So the lookup value I'm looking for is still Zach. So with the VLOOKUP, the information on the left column is the column data set that Microsoft is sorting through and looking for. Therefore, if you didn't want to look for Zach's name and you were looking for salary or experience or age, you can hide the columns that you're looking for to make sure that the specific column, for example, the age column is what you're looking for, make sure that that is on the left-hand corner because that is, or the left column, because that is what Microsoft is looking through. So the lookup value we're still looking for is a name, so that's still on the left side column, and I'm going to type in Zach. And the table array, if I wanted it from a different page, I can go to the experience page, and then I'm going to select this data of information, and then the column in the experience spot is only 2. So I'm going to make sure that I put in column 2. And then here we can see that if we put in false, it gives us 35.7, which is the exact amount of experience that Zach has. And we can also, if we write true, it gives us an approximate, and it's still 35.7. And then I'm going to press enter, and we have 35.7. So this is how you use the VLOOKUP function on Excel. Thank you.